Stop wasting months eating random food and hoping you'll gain muscle. You might think bulking is just eating big, but that's the biggest misconception holding beginners back. In this video, I'm going to explain bulking the right way, step by step, so you actually build muscle without turning into fat guy gains. And stick around, because near the end I'll share the secret mistake 90% of beginners make that ruins every bulk before it starts. If you've ever bulked and gained more fat than muscle, if you're confused about calories or don't know what to eat, then this breakdown will change how you approach every meal, every workout, and every measurement you take. Comment below if you struggled to bulk at all. I'm going to address your exact questions in this video. What bulking really means. Let's start with the basics. What is bulking? Bulking means eating in a caloric surplus to grow muscle, not just eating more, but eating strategic food with a plan. You're intentionally consuming more calories than your body needs so that your muscles have the energy and building blocks to grow. If you're just eating random calories without a plan, that's not bulking, that's fat gain disguised as effort. Key point: a real bulk combines calories plus structured training. Without that, the extra food goes straight to fat. How to calculate your bulking calories? Most beginners fail here. If you don't know how many calories you need to maintain weight, you have no business bulking yet. Step 1. Find your maintenance calories. This is the number of calories where your weight stays flat. Step 2. Add a controlled surplus, usually 250 to 500 calories above maintenance for beginners. Too big a surplus and you just become fat faster than you build muscle. Too small and you don't fuel growth. It's that simple. Pro tip: don't guess. Track daily intake for 1 week before you start. Macronutrients that actually matter. Muscle growth doesn't happen from calories alone, it happens from protein at the right levels and the right training signal. Protein: aim for around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. This gives your muscles the building blocks they need. Carbs give you fuel to train heavy. Fats support hormones. Here's the brutal truth: if you're eating 5,000 calories but your protein is trash, you will not build quality muscle. Training: you must stimulate growth. Calories without strength training equals fat gain. It's that simple. Bulking only works when your muscles are being forced to adapt. Progressive overload, adding weight, reps, or intensity over time, is how you tell your body where to put that extra energy you're giving it. What's the biggest training mistake you think beginners make while bulking? Comment now. Lean bulk versus dirty bulk. There's a reason advanced athletes talk about lean bulking. It means you keep fat gain minimal while maximizing muscle. If you just go all out on calories, you're literally trading muscle gain for fat gain, which makes your future cutting phase longer and harder. Accept that small fat gain is a trade-off, but controlled surplus beats sloppy eating every time. If you want more about clean versus dirty bulking, check out the video in the description. Bonus tip: the number one secret mistake beginners make. Beginners think eat more equals grow more. That's the secret mistake, because nutrition quality matters. Just eating tons of potato chips and sweets might give you surplus calories, but your protein, micronutrients, training energy, recovery, and hormones all suffer. And guess what? You're still going to get fat before you get muscle. This is where most people fail. Here's your bulking checklist. Track maintenance calories at a controlled surplus. Eat quality protein first. Train heavy with progressive overload. Adjust based on weekly results. If you follow this, you'll build more muscle and spend less time fixing mistakes. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more fitness strategies.